Hello, my name is Alex, and I'm going to be teaching you about lions. The first thing I'm going to be teaching you about is lions' appearance. Male lions have mange. Female lions do not have mange. Male lions are bigger than females. Lions have brown fur. Their tails have black tips. Now I'm going to be teaching you about lions' diet. Lions eat zebras and wildebeest and other animals. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Lions usually hunt at night. Lions' habitat. Lions mostly live in Africa and savannas. They can live in Angola, Botswana, and many other places in Africa. They also live in grasslands and woodlands. Family. The lions live in flocks and hunt in groups. They are part of the feline family. They are related to tigers and jaguars. Now here's some interesting facts about lions. Lions are fast hunters. They circle the prey then attack. Lions roar and purr to communicate. Here's some photos I would like to share with you. I hope you had a good time watching about lions.
Hi, my name's Corbin, and today we're going to be learning about geckos. Geckos can be small, some can be big, some are bumpy, some can also change colors to camouflage from predators. Geckos eat insects and other small creatures. Bigger geckos eat small birds and reptiles. Geckos live all over the world. They live in forests, deserts, and on mountains. Geckos are lizards that are in the reptile family. They are related to chameleons and iguanas. Geckos that live in the rainforest are great jumpers. They have sticky toe pads. Here are some pictures I would like to show you. Peace! My name is Juliet. Today I will be teaching you about cheetahs. Appearance. Cheetahs have black tear lines on their faces. Cheetahs have black spotted fur coats. They can be yellow or light brown. Cheetahs have really long tails. Cheetahs' diet is they eat gazelles, impalas, hares, and antelopes, and birds. Cheetahs are carnivores. That means like they eat meat. Cheetahs live in parts of Africa and Asia, like Iran. They live in dry forests, grasslands, and open plains. Their family is cheetahs are related to cats. Cheetahs are in the feline family. There are a lot of animals in that family, like bobcats, pumas, and lynxes. Their facts is cheetahs run faster than any other land animal. Cheetahs can run up to 65 miles per hour. That is as fast as a car would drive on the freeway. The interesting fact on this page is a cheetah has about 200 to 300 spots. Here are some pictures I would like to share with you.
I'm going to be learning about boxers. Table of contents. You're going to be learning about appearance, diet, habitat, family, and interesting facts. A boxer's appearance. Boxers are muscular dogs. Boxers are in the family of bulldogs. Boxers are strong, muscular dogs. They are alert and full of energy, weigh 50 and 70 pounds. Their tails can be long or short. They have strong chests. Boxers have wrinkles on their foreheads and muscles. Foxes have short, smooth coats. What foxes eat in their food are chicken, greens, and beans, vegetables, protein, and types of browns, blue buffalo, and castor power. Habitat. Foxes habitat. A house, a living room, a bedroom, animal shelter, or dog shelter. Or on a dog farm. Foxes are descendants of extinct bull and beaver breeds, crossed with Mastiff, Bulldog, and possibly Great Dane, and even a Terrier. They were developed in Germany in the 19th century, Italian as a bulldog baiting dogs. Facts. Foxes may have been named for how they use their paws. Foxes are good guard dogs. Here are some photos I like to show you. Appearance, family, diet, and habitat. Interesting facts. They have a flat muzzle. A muzzle is their nose. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Go.
Hi, my name is Madeline. I'm going to be teaching you about Doberman Pinschers. The first thing I'm going to be teaching you about is their appearance. Dobies have a shiny coat of fur. Dobies have a very narrow head. Dobies colors can also be blue, red, fawn, and black. Dobies also have a deep chest. Dobies have tan markings too. Dobies have long muzzles. Next, I'm going to be teaching you about the Dobies diet. Most people feed their dogs kibble or wet food. A good dog food will contain vegetables, meat, grains, and fruits. The best dog foods contain high-quality versions of these ingredients that are appropriate for your dog's digestive system. Next, I'm going to be teaching you where they would live. Dobies could live in a family home, but if a Dobie didn't have a family home, you could find a Dobie in an animal or dog shelter. You could also find Dobies in a dog farm. No one knows for certain, but Doberman is thought to have crossed many breeds to get the Doberman Pinscher. Some of the breeds thought to be involved included the Rottweiler, German Pinscher, Great Dane, German Shepherd Dog, Manchester Terrier, and English Greyhound Short-Haired Shepherd. Then I'm going to be teaching you some facts. The breed began in Germany around 1890. The first Doberman Pinscher was bred by Louis Doberman. Doberman Pinschers are called Dobies for short. Today some Dobies still work with the military, others work with search and rescue teams. Here's an interesting fact. Dobies are very athletic and intelligent dogs. Here are some pictures I would like to show you. Thank you for learning about Dobies with me.
Hi, my name is Camden. I'm going to be teaching you about gorillas. A gorilla's appearance. A gorilla looks like a big monkey and they have brownish hair. A gorilla's diet. Gorillas eat flowers and fruits. They also eat leaves and other plant parts. A gorilla's habitat. Mountain gorillas live in Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo on green volcanic mountains. A gorilla's family. Gorillas are one of the 4 species of great apes. They're the closest living relatives of humans. A gorilla's fun fact. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth. Here are some pictures I would like to share with you. An interesting fact about a gorilla. They can weigh up to 600 pounds.